Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll answer your question if your iPhone 17 Pro have screen recorder. Yes, absolutely. Your iPhone 17 Pro has a built-in screen recorder feature and you can access it in your control center. So swipe down the top right corner of your screen and here you should see your screen recorder button, but since I don't see it, and you might have that situation as well, let's set it up together. Tap plus sign in the top left corner of your screen and press button add a control at the bottom side of your screen. And now from the list of controls you need to find the screen recording button, but if you don't see it right here, you can use this search. Simply type screen recording and you will see that option. So tap here and here it is, and also you can place it wherever you want it to be. So let me set it right here and tap on empty space to save it. And now to start screen recording, you want to simply tap on it, and here at the top you should see that my screen recording is now going on. And to end it, I have to tap here at the top and stop my recording. And now if I go to my photos, go to my library, I will see my screen recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.